What if I told you that you could build a professional $1,000 website without writing a single line of code? Interestingly, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a stunning, high converting website without writing a single line of code. Whatever you are starting a business or a professional brand, this method will save you time, money, and frustration. Forget about hiring expensive developers or learning complex programming. By the end, you will know how to launch a website that looks premium and works like magic. Let's dive in and turn your idea into a $1,000 website. So first of all, I'll go to Chrome and tell ChatGPT to make a prompt for my idea. You can see my idea is simple. I want to make a typing speed where people can measure their typing speed. Like if you search typing speed test game, then you will find websites like this. I'm trying this where you can measure your typing speed. You can see here I want to make similar type of website but like more engaging and more beautiful. So I told my whole idea and it gave me this prompt. You can see I also added my contact info so that people can contact me. So here's my final prompt, and I'll simply go to lovable.dev. This website is very powerful. This can make an entire web app in just minutes. So I'll just paste the prompt here, and you can see I pasted whole prompt here, and I'll just click enter. It will automatically make the whole thing for me. You can see here it's already started.
A few moments later.
Okay viewers, you can see this gave me my desired website. You can see everything as my idea, and here is the AI challenge and speed test. You can measure your speed test by clicking this or challenge with AI. Here is the AI difficulty option: slow, normal, fast, and flash, as I told the AI. And the word difficulty: easy, medium, and hard. Okay, everything is fine. And here is the custom text option. You can enter your custom paragraph if you want to try something or practice something. You can change theme from here. Cyber, this is cyber cyan, neon pink, electric pink, or ocean blue. You can see you can easily on off sound from here and check the leaderboard. And that's how you can build a $1,000 website without touching a single line of code. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section. Your dream website is just a few clicks away. So go and build it.